deep and caverns old. We must away ere break of day to seek the pale enchanted gold. The dwarves of yore made mighty spells while hammers fell like ringing bells in places deep where dark things sleep, in hollow halls beneath the fells, for ancient king and elvish lord, there many a gleaming golden hold they shaped and brought, and light they caught to hide in gems on hilt of sword, on silver necklaces they strung the floating stars, on crowns they hung the dragon fire in twisted wire. They mesh the light of moon and sun. Far over the misty mountains cold, to dungeons deep and caverns old, we must away ere break of day to claim our long forgotten gold. Goblets they carved there for themselves, and harps of gold where no man delves. There lay they long, and many a song was sung unheard by men or elves. The pines were roaring on the height, the winds were moaning in the night. The fire was red, its flame spread, the trees like torches blazed with light. The bells were ringing the day, and men looked up with faces pale. The dragon's eye, more fierce than fire, below their towers and houses frail. The mountains soar We must away ere break of day to win our hearts and gold from you. Far over the misty mountains cold, through dungeons deep and caverns old,